Diwali is around the corner! Yay! So today we're going to make a Diwali greeting card to decorate on the last day of school before Diwali vacation. I will make my card and then decorate it with glitter with my classmates at school. It's going to be super fun and colorful!
Hey! Shiny lamps glow, let's go! Shiny lamps glow, what a sight! Sparkling colors all through the night. Bells are ringing, footsteps near. Happiness spreads and fun is here. Sweet treats ready, hands held tight. Decorate the room with colors bright. Songs are humming, dance and play. It's a happy, sparkling Diwali day!
First, let's resize the canvas so our card fits perfectly. Select the oval shape and erase the upper half. Now, take the curve tool and start from the left half, curving a bit above the half of the diya. Do the same for the right half. Perfect! With the curve tool, we'll create the flame. Pick color 1 as yellow and color 2 as orange. See? It's glowing like a real diya! Let's make it feel like night. Fill the background with a dark blue color to make our diya shine bright. Now use the line tool to create rays of the diya. Use yellow and orange colors so it looks magical. I'll use diamond shapes to decorate the diya. And let's add a few yellow shining stars above so it looks like a festive night sky. Time for the wish. Select the text tool, pick your color and font size, and write, Happy Diwali! Perfect! Our greeting card is ready! And that's it, friends! Our Diwali card is ready to decorate and share with everyone. Remember, celebrate safely and say no to crackers. Happy Diwali!
It's a happy, sparkling Diwali!